Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Microsoft Azure offers a robust suite of cloud storage solutions designed to meet diverse needs and scales. Whether you're looking for simple object storage, structured databases, high-performance file storage, or specialized archive solutions, Azure has a service tailored to your specific requirements. Let's delve into the diverse world of Azure storage. One of the cornerstone offerings is Azure Blob Storage, ideal for storing unstructured data such as images, videos, text files, and application data. Its scalability and cost-effectiveness make it a popular choice for various scenarios, including data backup and disaster recovery, content delivery, and cloud-native applications. Blobs can be accessed from anywhere in the world via HTTPS, providing a globally accessible storage solution. Next, we have Azure Files. This service provides fully managed file shares in the cloud, accessible via the industry-standard Server Message Block (SMB) protocol. This allows you to seamlessly lift and shift existing applications that rely on file shares to the cloud without significant code changes. Azure Files integrates with Active Directory, enabling familiar access control and permissions management. For those requiring managed disk storage for virtual machines, Azure Disks provides a range of disk types optimized for different workloads. From cost-effective standard hard disk drives, HDDs, to ultra-fast solid-state drives, SSDs, you can choose the performance and cost profile that best aligns with your virtual machine requirements. Azure Managed Disks simplify disk management by handling storage provisioning and ensuring high availability and durability. Azure Queues offers a reliable messaging service for asynchronous communication between application components. This is particularly valuable in distributed architectures, enabling decoupling and improving resilience. Messages are stored durably until they are processed, ensuring reliable delivery even in the face of temporary outages. Finally, Azure Tables provides a NoSQL key value and document store for storing large amounts of structured data. This service excels at handling high-volume, low-latency operations, making it suitable for applications such as online gaming leaderboards, IoT data ingestion, and session management. Beyond these core offerings, Azure offers specialized storage solutions like Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 for big data analytics, Azure NetApp Files for enterprise-grade file services, and Azure Archive Storage for long-term data retention. With this comprehensive portfolio, Azure Storage empowers you to choose the optimal storage solution for every workload, ensuring performance, scalability, and security in the cloud. Explore the possibilities and discover how Azure Storage can transform your data management strategy.